So when it comes to written formal methods, it might seem that the easiest thing to do is to always go to a worksheet or a textbook. We try not to do that all the time and give the children some activities and things to do as well. So this is a really basic way of just generating some questions using just a dice. So this activity is called Roll the Numbers. All you need for this is a dice. Any dice from any board game that you might have around the house, and you're going to roll it 6 times for this activity. 1, 3, 2, 3, 6, and one more time, a 5. Once you've got your 6 digits, you can then combine them in any way to make up lots and lots of addition sums. So you can start with 132 and add 365. There's your first question to complete. Then you could do 233, add 331. You can do this as many times as you want and create lots and lots and lots of questions to answer. Enjoy!